Hey everybody, welcome to another video, and today we're doing a video on my multimedia bag. Because I make YouTube videos, I find that I do need certain things to make a video while I'm out or when I'm out and about. This also serves as my concealed carry, off-body concealed carry bag. Just wanted to show you guys what I added to this, and let's begin. In the main pouch here, it is a generic sling bag. Both of these pouches and bags are generic. I'm just doing this as an example, so follow along if you can. Here on the bottom, I will leave a link in the description below for this sling bag. It is a pretty nice bag. I've worn it and tested it, and it's pretty decent. Here we go. On the bottom pocket here in the front, just have to open it slightly. You pull this lanyard and the mace is down here. Okay, and actually it's a pocket that's perfect size for a extra magazine if you want to carry a magazine instead of a mace in there. Okay. Also, let's move it here. I keep a pocket knife, a notepad, and a pen. All right. Let's go into the first front pocket. Top pocket up here. And I have my GoPro session in this pocket. Leave that there. I'll leave all the contents out so you can see it at the end, what I all carry. There you go. All right, main front pocket right here is a selfie stick with remote. I also modded it to have a metal piece here, so that way I can use the magnet to put the GoPro on there. Is a selfie stick. Also, it is a tripod. If I can get it open. Yeah. There we go. Yeah. It's a tripod. Also, I'll leave the link of this selfie stick in the description down below. I hope I could find it on Amazon. I did purchase it through Amazon. I'll try to link most of this stuff in the description below, because that way, if you're interested in getting it, you can purchase it. In the main front pocket again, I have another standalone tripod. You know, whenever you want to use the tripod to hold your camera or your phone. Here I have there's nothing in there. Okay, here I have a Maxpedition Pico. All right, and in here I will be carrying the essential cables, charging cord. Now this is a USB first generation USB cable, because that GoPro uses the B, not the C, charging cables there. And I have a memory card adapter here. Have a cable for the memory card reader. This reads a few different memory cards. Okay, I'll put that there. And on this side here, I have the card. And this is, of course, cable management system, charging cable management system. Everybody, I think, knows about this. I'll also leave a link in the description down below for this product here. It works pretty decent. You know, all of your memory card, USB plug needs are right here. It supports Apple products and Android products. So it's handy to have. If they still make this, I'll leave it in the description below. All right. And that's it. This is my little pouch within a pouch to keep all the little memory card cable organized, all the little knickknacks organized in the bag. Put that there. All right, so that was the front pocket. As you can see, I don't keep nothing in the mesh pockets here. Now, let's go into the main rear pocket. All right. And in the rear pocket, I carry my concealed carry. Okay. And deep down below, I carry a power bank, Anker's 20,000 milliamp. All right, there. And this pouch has a cell phone pouch attached to the sling itself, and inside I got my wife's phone because I'm using my phone to make this video. All right, so let's take a look like that. All right, now the beautiful part about this is that you can fold this pocket in like that, and you can walk around using your cell phone as a body cam. Now, of course, you're wearing the bag and the sling is kind of slanted sideways, so your video is going to be kind of slanted, you know. So, but in a pinch, like, you know how you're involved in a situation and you want to make sure you're recording it to protect yourself. Well, you can, you know, you look silly, kind of, you know how these days something going down and you see people standing there filming each other with their phones while they're arguing or something, you know. That's, you know, you want your hands free, folks. You're involved in a situation. You don't want to be holding a cell phone and holding it up to somebody's face and this and that. That's and it's not safe. You want your hands ready to be able to handle any situation that happens. So if you're involved or about to get involved in a situation, you may want to do this, you know, tuck in this flap right here, and because the zipper only opens up halfway, and you can record whatever situation that's going on like that. Okay, and that is a reflective strip right there. All right, put that phone right there. All right, so that is my media bag / conceal off body carry. If you like this bag, I'll put it in the link. It comes with two Velcro hook holster, one for a compact and another for a larger full-size handgun. All right, and take a good look. All right, give you another good look. All right, and now let's go into this smaller pouch. And this is what I carry when I go to the casino, when I'm not allowed to carry any knives. But they have a metal detector, and I'm sure if they found this on me, they would tell me I couldn't bring it in. But this is so small, it doesn't set off their metal detector. So I always carry my little NYX tool, multi-tool, in this pouch right here. Now, one of the most important things, and this should be part of that, but I rather carry this separately. And the reason is, one of the most important things that's in here is the microphone. And I'm currently using the microphone. As you can see, I got the adapter out of there, and another. It comes with 2 mics and an adapter. The adapter is hooked up to my phone right now, and I got the mic on my shirt, clipped to my shirt. So this is the second mic. I highly recommend this brand. Again, in the description link below. Listen, guys, I know you guys make videos, and a lot of the times when you're walking away from the camera, when you have the camera set up, or somebody's filming you, helping you and filming you with your phone or whatever, and you walk about 10 feet away to open a package or show something, and if you want to be heard clearly, you need to get a mic. Really, some of your videos, they're okay, but you know, you don't have to yell to get what you're saying heard clearly. You can just talk real softly, and a mic will still pick it up, and you come real loud and clear. So get a mic, folks. Here's that. And of course, in the pouch here, I carry my ear pods, part of the multimedia thing. My little pill box for my blood pressure medicine and all that. And of course, microfiber cloth, whatever, to clean the lenses and my eyeglass. Here's what the pouch looks like. I've worn this in other videos. Okay, it's a sling pouch basically. Sling it around to the back, sling it around to the front. All right, so I'm gonna go in here and get my GoPro and show you how I would go about filming things without looking like I'm filming things. All right, so what I've done is I modified it with 2 earth magnets on the back of this GoPro. I'm gonna be looking to get a new camera, so for now this is what I'll be using. So this is the way I'm going to be filming things for now. So what I do is these 2 magnets, I will put one magnet here. There's a little loop here you can see on the strap. I'll put it back here and attach it right there like that, and I'm good to go. You know, I walk around and I can film whatever. It's like a body cam basically. Take a real good look. If you can see, I can't see myself in the camera, of course, so I don't know if you're getting the whole thing. All right, that's it. So please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Remember, if you were interested in any of this stuff, look in the description down below.